Any global solution network will have four characteristics. First of all, it must be multi-stakeholder. So it's got to have some critical mass of a combination of the private sector, civil society, which can be NGOs, academics, foundations, and so on, governments at any level or government agencies, and individuals. Individuals can now be pillars of society. It's multi-stakeholder. Number two is, it's attacking a global problem. Now, the network itself doesn't need to be global, and there are very few that are, but as long as it's working on a global problem. Now, increasingly, many problems are becoming global. Thirdly, the network needs to use the digital revolution and the tools of the digital revolution as key to its modus operandi. So it's got to use some combination of social media, big data, data analytics, the mobile web, geospatiality, the cloud, whatever, to help them organize their important activity. We've yet to exclude one based on that criteria. And finally, the network must be self-organizing. Now that means that it can't be controlled by a state or state-based institution. So something like UNESCO, although it's an important organization, is really controlled by the UN and by states. So it wouldn't be included in our category. And something like the sustainability challenge of an individual company would also be not considered to be a global solution network because it's not multi-stakeholder. So based on those four criteria, that they're multi-stakeholder, they're attacking a global problem, they use the digital revolution as key to their MO, and they're not controlled by a state or state-based institution. If you actually inventory the networks in the world, you're going to find tens of thousands of organizations and tens of millions of people engaged on a daily basis. Welcome to a whole new age of how we solve problems in the world.